As a foodie, I'm on a journey to discover the best vegetarian food in and around Stuttgart and beyond. Join me as I explore new places and uncover hidden gems along the way.
Welcome to Veggie Explores. I am Gauri.
Today I'm on the outskirts of Heilbronn in Schwaigern to try some Korean food. Why is this place so special? Stick around to find out. This place is such a hidden gem. You wouldn't even realize this place is here unless you go looking for it. It's attached to like a sports bar, a bicycle company or something like this, and it had a huge car park. And through the car park, you can immediately see the outdoor garden, as they call it, or the outdoor seating area, which I think was so perfect for the summer. You can see that they have little umbrellas and they have a tiny hut out there with drinks and everything that you need. But as always, I chose to sit inside, and we were welcomed by these lanterns and fish hung outside. Comment down below if you know why these are. In my experience, I think this is like a good luck sort of thing as you come in. The ambiance is very contemporary, modern with like the Asian touch, so they have some canvases and some booths to sit in, and they have some sojus on the display. They have an open counter slash bar, I suppose. And I love these posters that they had. These graphic posters were so vivid and amazing looking. I just love the look and feel of these graphic posters. This is what their menu looked like. It wasn't extensive, but with the limited options that they had a good variety, and they definitely had vegetarian or pescatarian options if you're a pescatarian. And one of the things I personally love about Korean food is that it is customizable to being vegan if you remove the egg, and essentially the vegetables and the tofu is vegan. Thing unique about this particular Korean restaurant is that they offer Dolsot Bibimbap, which is basically your normal bibimbap but served in a hot stone bowl. So it's piping hot when it comes to your table. And I have not seen this anywhere else in the Stuttgart area so far, so I was really looking forward to getting this. On the table we had some condiments, the gochujang, the salt, soy sauce, and black pepper, along with the cutlery in the box, just like in Korea. But it was disappointing. I didn't find any chopsticks, and the fact that we had to ask it extra was a bit of a letdown. In the end, I ordered the Dolsot Bibimbap, which came with a small miso soup, and on the side I ordered some vegetable mandu, or yache mandu. The bibimbap is my ultimate go-to comfort food. It's spicy and warm and healthy because of so many veggies and the rice, and it's spicy. Oh my god, I just loved the bibimbap. Now, what I thought was special about this one, apart from it being a Dolsot Bibimbap, was the fact that it wasn't very traditional in the sense of the toppings that were on top of it. So this had some kind of fried onions, not deep fried. It wasn't crispy onions, but it was still sort of sauteed onions with also red bell peppers, which is not your typical topping, but it really did add to the taste and I really did enjoy it. It gave me that a little bit of that Chinese fried rice kind of feelings with those two vegetables in there. But overall, I really did enjoy eating this Dolsot Bibimbap, which wasn't that traditional. I tried that savory miso soup. It wasn't very salty, which I really, really enjoyed. And the tofu was fresh with the green onions. It really, really helped enhance the flavor of the bibimbap on the side. Next, I tried the mandu, and it was so fresh. I asked the person there, and they said even the wrapper outside was homemade and it was filled with tofu and vegetables, and it wasn't salty. Of course, we dipped it in soy sauce to eat it, and it was just the perfect combination with that savory soy sauce and the vegetables. It was all perfectly cooked. Overall, the quality of all the food was so amazing. We didn't feel like in any place that it was frozen or it was, pre-made. So I really, really enjoyed the quality of the food here. Having lived in Korea for a bit, something that I was kind of disappointed about was the fact that there was no kimchi or any kind of banchan. At the very least, a tiny bit of kimchi would have been super, super nice. But at the end of the day, you can see the plates here, and I emptied the entire thing. Thank you for joining me on this episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. See you again in the next adventure. Bye!